Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening the editor and verifying document format. Choose HTML if you need structure, Markdown for lightweight markup. Next, paste or type a short paragraph and apply bold and italic to test styling. Once done, create a heading and a small list so you can see toolbar behavior across elements. Make sure the editor preserves or strips formatting as required, because that determines your workflow and how you will import content later. You now layer on structure. Convert lines into headings and use block quotes for citations, because semantic formatting improves readability and export. Insert an image, add alt text, and resize it inline, then add a table and populate cells to test column behavior. Once that's established, apply inline code or preformatted blocks for technical snippets. Make sure to use keyboard shortcuts and the undo history to iterate quickly, and test exporting to ensure the markup survives. You finish by reviewing the document for consistency. Check headings, list nesting, and link targets, then export to your chosen format and preview the output. Once done, run basic accessibility checks like alt text and logical heading order so readers and tools can navigate your content. If things go wrong, first clear formatting and paste as plain text to remove hidden styles, then reapply styles. If issues persist, inspect or reset the editor's CSS or switch export options to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.